Israeli forces conducted a surprise raid on Gaza's largest hospital early Monday, alleging that Hamas militants have regrouped there and they are planning to launch attack from within the compound. The Palestinian officials reported tens of thousands of people are seeking shelter in the hospital. This isn't the first time Israeli forces have targeted the al-Shifa hospital. In a previous raid, the military claimed Hamas has established a command center within the facility, but evidence supporting this assertion was inconclusive. At that time, critics accused the army of endangering civilian lives. Witnesses inside the hospital also described a harrowing scene with Israeli forces surrounding the complex and sniper firing on the militants inside. Several buildings were raided and numerous individuals were detained, causing a panic among those seeking refuge. The Gaza's health ministry reported that the Israeli army targeted a building used for special surgeries, resulting in a fire at the hospital entrance. The ministry also estimates and claims that around 30,000 people, including patient, medical staff, and displaced civilians, are right now in the hospital. The Israeli military spokesperson, Rear Admiral Daniel Hagari, defended the operation as a high-precision mission targeting Hamas militants who have regrouped in the hospital complex. The army released footage allegedly showing militants firing from within the hospital and attacking Israeli forces. Despite the military action, Hagari has stated patient and medical staff remains in the hospital and arrangements are being made for the civilians who wish to leave for safety. Israel accuses Hamas of using civilian facilities like the hospital as shield for its fighters. This has also led to several Israeli raids on other medical facilities during the war, exacerbating the already dire humanitarian situation in Gaza. The ongoing offensive has severely strained the Gaza's healthcare system, with many medical facilities forced to close due to shortage of fuel and supplies. The United Nations has warned of a humanitarian crisis, with a quarter of Gaza population facing starvation too. The conflict was triggered by Hamas's attack on southern Israel, which resulted in significant casualties and the capture of hostages. And since then, the efforts by the United States, Qatar, and Egypt to broker a ceasefire and secure the release of the captive have so far been unsuccessful, as both sides remain entrenched in their positions.